Most people think they're using AI correctly because they ask ChatGPT questions every day. But the truth is, most users are only using a small fraction of what modern AI can actually do. The biggest mistake beginners make is treating AI like Google. They ask simple questions and expect magical results. But the people getting the biggest advantages from AI today are using it as a thinking partner, a researcher, a teacher, and even a team of digital workers. The first tip is simple: stop asking questions and start giving missions. Instead of asking, "How do I build a website?" tell AI exactly what you want. For example, create a complete plan for a plumbing company website, including pages, SEO strategy, lead generation, and technology recommendations. The more specific the mission, the better the result. The second tip is to always provide context. AI performs dramatically better when it understands your situation. Instead of saying, "Create a marketing campaign," explain your business, your target customers, your budget, and your goals. Context is often the difference between a generic answer and something genuinely useful. The third tip is to make AI think before it acts. Most people immediately ask for a solution. A better approach is to say, analyze the problem first, identify risks, create a plan, then execute. Modern AI models are far more effective when they spend time planning before generating an answer. The fourth tip is to use AI as a teacher, not just as a tool. If you're learning programming, business, marketing, or any new skill, don't just ask for the answer. Ask AI to explain concepts, create exercises, test your understanding, and guide you step by step. The goal isn't to let AI do everything for you. The goal is to learn faster. The fifth tip is to always ask for a review. Before accepting any answer, tell the AI to review its own work, identify weaknesses, find mistakes, and suggest improvements. This simple habit can significantly improve the quality of the output. Now let's talk about AI tools and agents, because this is where things get really interesting. Many people use ChatGPT or Claude, but they have never touched tools like Codex, Claude Code, or Cursor. These tools can work directly with projects, inspect files, write code, run tests, fix bugs, and automate complex tasks. The first AI agent tip is to start with planning. Never tell an agent to build an entire project immediately. First, ask it to audit the project, understand the architecture, identify risks, and create a detailed implementation plan. Planning reduces mistakes and saves enormous amounts of time. The second tip is to break large tasks into phases. AI agents perform much better when working through clear stages. Instead of saying, "Build the entire application," define phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and so on. This creates structure and makes progress easier to verify. The third tip is to use multiple AI systems together. For example, use ChatGPT or Claude to create the strategy and architecture. Then use Codex or Claude Code to implement the work. Finally, use another model to review the implementation. Different models have different strengths, and combining them often produces better results than relying on only one. The fourth tip is to demand evidence. Never accept a simple message saying, "Task completed." Ask for the files that were modified, the tests that were executed, the errors that were found, the fixes that were applied, and any remaining risks. Real verification matters more than confident claims. The fifth tip is to create reusable instructions. Build project documentation, AI rules, architecture guides, and workflow documents. The best AI users don't spend their time repeating instructions. They build systems that allow AI to work consistently across multiple projects. So what is the most effective workflow today? Use ChatGPT or Claude for research, planning, learning, brainstorming, and decision-making. Use Codex, Claude Code, or similar AI agents for implementation, testing, debugging, and automation. Use Cursor as your daily development environment where you can review, edit, and refine the work. And before you finish any project, always perform a final review using AI to check security, performance, documentation, quality, and possible mistakes. The people getting the biggest advantage from AI today are not necessarily using the smartest model. They're using the smartest workflow. They use AI to think, AI agents to execute, and multiple systems to verify the results. If you learn that process now, you'll be far ahead of most users as AI continues to evolve over the next few years.